Growing up in such a close family is easy for us to get together. My favorite thing we would do were the barbecues by my pool. While all the parents were setting up the table for lunch, all the kids would be in the pool playing so loudly. After a long day in the pool, my mom would say those few words that would get me to jump out right away.
Nicole, you want to go for ice cream with Alex?
Automatically, I would run into my room and slip on my favorite blue overalls. I would wear them to ice cream every single time.
I want to be a mermaid so bad. What color do you want to be? I want to be blue. No, I want to be blue.
Girls, get out of the water.
Girls, time to go home.
No.
I don't like you going behind my back.
That's my kid too, you know. I'm allowed to talk.
No, you're not allowed to talk to Brittany,
That's my
Kristen, or
oldest
Amanda.
daughter.
No, you're not.
What do you mean no? They're 50% my DNA.
No, I have all the custody of them.
Girls, get out and go to sleep.
Girls, wake up. Hurry up.
Okay,
Girls,
we're awake.
get dressed.
Oh my god.
Girls, get ready.
Hey, Joe, I need money for the dogs. I need to buy their dog food. But when you married me, you wanted the dog.
Honestly, you're not even married anymore, and you should probably get off the phone because you're driving and we're gonna be late.
Bye, love you.
Hi class, today we're going to be talking about Hamlet, so make sure you have your copies. Please open to Act of God, the beauty of the world, the paragon of animals, and yet to me, what is this quintessence of dust?
Okay, let's go, dude. I'm just turning up louder, I can't even think right now.
Georgia. We would always go out on the jet ski and in the boat. And I'll never forget that when we had the jet ski, we'd always bring the two dogs. They had their own life jacket. My cousin and their friends found a baby alligator, and they put it in our pool when their girlfriends were in Southampton. The oceans are very deep, like the beaches are, and the water's always freezing and the waves are huge. Locust Valley. The same swim instructor taught my grandmother, my mom, and me how to swim. New York City. My dad would drive me home over the Queensboro Bridge to our apartment in Tribeca. We were on the 26th floor, and the windows would come from the ceiling to the floor, and you could see the entire Hudson River. Charleston, South Carolina. My best friend's house. Every single weekend, we'd go tubing with her brother, who I still think is cute. Virginia. I was on the swim team at school there. It was okay. There's not much to like about Virginia. Barcelona. We lived right by the beach, and so this was just for the summer. I wish I could have stayed longer. San Francisco. One of my favorite cities. The best thing about it is the farmer's market, which takes place right by the bay.
Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to welcome you to the Honolulu International Airport. Local time is 11:30 in the morning. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened and carry-ons properly stowed until the aircraft has come
to exhale. Runner's lunge. Pivot on the back foot, bend the left knee. Right knee down. Crescent moon. Front and back body lift. Inhale. Vinyasa. Plank to chaturanga is the exhale.
Samasta Sukhina
bhavantu loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
Trouble travels fast when you're specially designed for crash testing or wearing wool sunglasses in the afternoon. Come on and tell us what you're trying to prove.
The following sounds were taken from YouTube. Splashing pool sound effect, door knock sound effect, alarm clock sound effect, school bus sound effect, sound effect, car drive-by sound effect. Hermosa Beach, California ocean waves crashing relaxation meditation. Swimming crowded indoor pool sound effect. Hawaiian Airlines landing in Honolulu. Wahine by Crater Boys. Shine Afterlife. Joe Tasula at Yoga Glow. Loka Sumasta Sukino Bhavantu by Wa. Sleep Through the Static by Jack Johnson. Water Fountain 2 hour sleep sounds. Nature sounds, ocean waves for relaxation, yoga, meditation, reading, sleep, study. Long Island sounds, open air swimming pool sound effect, ice cream truck sound effect.